Hi, I'm Brian Young, owner and founder of Home Painters Toronto, and we love painting homeowners' dreams. Our carpentry and handyman services make us unique. It can be quite a challenge to find a reliable handyman, and even more so to find one who will do small jobs. At Home Painters Toronto, we solve this problem for you, making us your one-stop shop for all your painting and handyman needs. Our carpenters and handymen are the most courteous, accommodating, and highly skilled in the industry. As an industry leader for over 30 years, our award-winning handyman services have been delighting our clients for decades. Here are some of the carpentry and handyman services we provide. For interior, baseboards, casings, and trim installation, crown molding and wainscoting installation, door hanging, jambs, and door repairs, vinyl, laminate, and hardwood floor installation, backsplash and tiles installation, drywall hanging, plastering and drywall repairs, and popcorn ceiling flattening. For exterior, all wood repairs including windows, wood trim, and Tudor boards, decks, porches, and wood fences repairs, stucco siding repairs and parging, industrial caulking removal and installation, and much more. As you can see, homeowners have a high need for carpentry and handyman services. And at Home Painters Toronto, we're here to take care of you. We're often asked, why Home Painters and what makes us unique and different from every other painting company? We offer speed. This includes 7 days a week service, same-day quoting, as well as 1 and 2 day painting services. Simply put, with our multi-painter crews, expertise, and processes, we'll complete your project faster than any other company in the industry, bar none. We offer quality. Our dedicated team members have decades of experience and are obsessed with quality. We're so confident that we'll deliver the outstanding quality that your home deserves. We back it up with an unprecedented lifetime warranty. We offer security, going strong for over 30 years. We're one of the longest standing painting companies in Ontario, protecting you with full workers' compensation coverage, 5 million general liability insurance, criminal background checks, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We aren't satisfied until you're satisfied. And finally, we offer maximum payment flexibility with no interest payment plans up to 1 full year and no fee credit card payment options, making your home improvement dreams financially viable. For these reasons, we are the go-to painting company for great clients like yourself. At Home Painters, if you can dream it, we'll paint it!
Very punctual and professional and very friendly.
Yeah, the whole experience has been really great. Have been super fast and efficient. We're really impressed with the work they've done.
It was excellent. Brian and his crew were fabulous, and I would recommend them to all my family and friends.
A very pleasant person to work with, and the job was done quickly. The house was kept clean, and we're very happy with the results.
We enjoyed working with Brian and his crews. It was a really good experience all around.
Excellent company, excellent.
The guys have been clean and efficient and well organized, very nice people to work with.
Oh yeah, they do a great job in record time.
We would definitely recommend Home Painters again.